This is the start of the handmade Cuban bracelet. I'm going to start making this bracelet with 18 karat yellow gold wire. I warm the metal up to make it easier for me to work with.
You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that.
The next thing to do is now solder up all the links individually.
Forever's never gone so fast. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that. Forever's never gone just like that. Just like that.
The next step is twisting the bracelet to make it flat. I've used really tight links so we get really high gold content.
You're about to lose me.
As you can see, it's starting to look like the final product.
Forever's never gone so fast. Forever's never gone just like that. Forever's never gone just like that. Just like that.
With the file now, I'm going to flatten the bracelet a little bit more just to give it that Cuban look.
Just like that, just like that.
Just finished the links for the bracelet. All I need to do now is make the snap. Got the piece of metal already, so let's get started. I'm now going to start the snap. This is going to be totally handmade, so I'm going to start with this piece of sheet gold.
Just like that, just like that.
That's the sound you're looking for. When you hear that snap, you know it's been made just right. Just finished this Cuban bracelet. It's 12mm, 18 karat yellow gold. We've got super tight links on this, and the difference is with ours against other people's, this is totally handmade. We've got an handmade snap, and it looks absolutely perfect. So where these bracelets got popular in the beginning, in the late 70s, early 80s in the hip-hop movement, that was really big on the scene. Then they sort of died off a little bit, but now they're back with a vengeance. So that's why we wanted to put one in stock. So There you go, that's our version of a handmade Cuban bracelet.
Oye, qué rico. Baila la guajira con sabor cubano.
How you going, bro? You alright?
Hello Tom, I can't find the Cuban bracelet anywhere. I've had the safe out, I've had the drawers out, don't know where it is.
No, chill, Bob. I've got the bracelet with me. Yeah, I love it. Just take it out for a little spin.
Why have you got it on? Tom, I spent days making it. I've spent about an hour polishing it as well. If you scratch it, if one scratch on that, it's coming out of your way.
No need to be like that, Bob. I'm not going to scratch it or anything. I only walked over to the Barbican, I saw it on the desk, so I thought I'd put it on to see what it looks like.
Okay, I'll see you back in the workshop. Can you hurry up? We've got so much work to do and you're sitting there lazing around.
Do you know what, Bob? Do you know what? Take it out of my wages anyway, because I love it. I'm going to keep it anyway.
All right then, I'll see you when you get back to the workshop.
All right, well, I'll see you in a minute.